Yeah, been thinking I might need to get lost in Japan. You know, spend a couple grand, not worry about a thing, huh? Let not loss be the party. I don't dress like I arrived tardy, even if I arrived tardy. I'm riding wolves with Princess Mononoke, lost in Japan. You don't know where I am, I'm lost in Japan. Forgot about the plan, yeah. Feeling animated, man, don't worry about a thing. All might, superpowers in the land. Now I got fire-breathing hands. How you think I cook up a pan? I'm a different kind of man. You know what I'm saying? Nah, you don't know what I'm saying, man. Let's just go spend a couple grand, get lost in Japan. Where the teriyaki man? Teriyaki man. Huh? Mino Kahana, not seeing is a flower. And you got all the fauna, so drunk. But from sake, not Corona. Don't give the gold coins to the cat. Idiomatic, I mean, what am I do with that? I mean, I like my quench supersonic. And she like my hedgehog, dipped in a tonic. I can't stop it in Japan. Even monkeys fall from trees, man. You the only one I see, Einstein, the only brain I need. It's a good day for a daydream, and I'm lost in Japan. You know, spending 50 grand, eyes like lights, man, only for my fam, I move like a horse, not a beamer, I'm the man from Snowy River, cut from the paper, damn you special, you use something special, like a Mario, embark on a quest to rescue you, fruity princess, you a peach, galaxy, past Mars, I tell her, we can go to the stars. How far you wanna go? I tell her, I can make your head roll. How far you wanna roll? I can make you roll. I keep it in my pants, cause baby you my plan. But damn, even geishas need a man. Am I lost in Japan? Geisha wants to take my hand. That's what it seems like, man. Every time I'm in Japan. Ladybugs on me, that's one lucky man. Magical Japan, you can find me in the cherry blossoms, man. I'm lost in Japan. LVMH, Loro Piana, fabric is vicuña. Burn what's left over, you little pinata, you have no idea. I'ma serve up a coffee like Uncle's Big Mocha. We be dancing.
Hello? I totally forgot to test audio before I started, so I was really nervous for a sec there. Hey guys! We're not going to be listening to music, just the intro music, that's it. Because I want to be able to monetize on YouTube. So, you know, gotta adapt. But yeah, I hope you're all having a great day. Ready to take on the internet again today? Let's go. We adapt. Correct. That's what we're up to today. And yeah, that's it. That's what's up. Hi guys. I'm trying to figure out my, not what? Huh? What? Jay, what are you doing over there? I have questions. Monka S energy for sure. What? Sir, this is a Wendy's. Alright, I gotta figure out where to put this dog. I really want it to be featured. It needs to be immediately visible from my setup. You know what I mean? And it's not, and that makes me sad. Is that more visible? It's kind of hidden by chat, though. Lame. Hang from the ceiling? The dog straight out coming in like, I wanna swing from the chandelier. The dog just swinging from the ceiling. I'd have to have a couple strings on the dog so he can swing around. And then the little string on his poop as well. It's like attached. You look great with that cap. Thank you. I'm wearing hats this month. My facial lady told me that I'm not allowed to wear makeup So I haven't been wearing makeup for like over a month. And, or like even my sunscreen. So like normally I wouldn't even wear like foundation or whatever, but I'd have like a tinted sunscreen. But I had to change brands for that too because I was breaking out. And so she's like, okay, we'll just do nothing for a little while and we'll see if it was the products. And then, yeah, anyway. So now I'm wearing hats. But it's pretty cool, hey? We're actually going to, so I've got some stuff that I bought for, chat from GitHub Universe. So we're still doing the giveaway. Okay. I have not forgotten. We are still doing a giveaway. This is the wrong, hold on. I need to get other chat in here as well. All right. I think we're good now. Let me rearrange my windows here for a sec. Okay. Can I pop this out? You're gonna have to remind me what I was talking about because I forget already. Okay. Okay. But yeah, what I was saying, I have not forgotten. We're still doing a giveaway for the stuff that I got for chat from GitHub Universe. It's just going to happen in the new year so that I can make sure that like whoever wins, I'm sending everything out right away instead of having to like wait. So yeah, that's going to be happening in the new year. I'll announce it and all of that. And I also need to figure out like also got to figure out what I want you guys to do to earn it, you know? Are we going to have like a battle royale of chat battle royale, and the winners win GitHub merch? Maybe. You never know. But it'll have to be something that nerds can partake in, you know? So I have ideas. Or we could just do a randomized giveaway. Okay? But I'm also in touch with GitHub themselves. So yeah, may or may not. We'll see what we can do. No promises. But it would be awesome to be able to get a little extra goodies to send out as well. So don't worry, chat. I'm vouching for you. All right, so y'all gotta behave. All right. If you're good, Miss Bunny Claus will give you extra gifts this year. Otherwise, you get nothing. Just bullied on the internet. Exactly. But yeah, okay. So you guys know, since we've been working together, been doing a ton of video edit stuff, getting a bunch of stuff queued up for next year as part of my little DevRel job, I guess you could say. One might say. So yeah, as part of my job, getting a bunch of kind of technical content done, getting all that stuff ready to go, get out the door, and basically been working on that. And then one thing that's been heckin' neglected is the community side. So I've been so busy in the last few weeks, I haven't really been able to like dig into helping people with their problems or answering their questions or anything like that. So we're gonna go over that. I don't think I'm enough of a risk taker to share my Discord screen with you, my Discord window. But I will share my terminal, and I think I'm just gonna I'll write down the questions and all that in the terminal in NeoVim so you guys can follow along. All right. Also, YouTube is complaining about my keyframes, so if you're having issues on that, I'm sorry, and let me know if you actually are, if it's affecting anything, and I'll try and remember to change it for next time. This will probably be the last. Yeah, what day is it? This will probably be the last stream before the new year. I'm not too sure. Honestly, I never know. You never know with me. It's part of the charm. Don't you think? Chat GPT, but in a terminal. Sure. Yes. I am. Yes. Okay, so. All right, let me just open something up. Let's go. I think it's charm. What do I have in here? I think issues. Problems.md. All right, problems we solving. Okay. Just that. We solving. Okay. Cool. And you guys, let me, you keep us on our toes? Absolutely. No schedule, no nothing. You guys just get announced when I'm live. Ciao. Thank you so much for the 12 months. I appreciate it. Thank you. I saw you live the other day. Do you have a schedule? I guess you're like, it's literally about to be holidays, so like maybe not. Also, who was it that I saw? I don't know. So I know that not everyone's going to be spending time with their family over the holidays, and I wanted to give a little shout out to Ambush, who is a gaming streamer. But I wanted to give her a shout out. I saw that she tweeted the other day about how like it's basically going to be her, like she's away from her family for Christmas. She's really cool. She's got really like a really good energy. She's going to be away from her family for Christmas, and she's going to be streaming on Christmas Day because she's literally got no family with her for that day. So like, you know, if there's anyone that's around who like also is in a similar situation and like wants to hang out on Christmas Day, you can go check out her channel and hang out with her. I vouch. Okay, she's got good vibes. She doesn't code, but she's got good vibes. All right. But you nerds, you guys can do whatever you want. When you're watching her stream, you can do your coding and whatever. All right. Do I have experience using NeoVim DApp with Docker? No, not with Docker. No. That's so relatable. Yeah, right? I'm like, you know what? It's a good point. Like, it can be such a hard time of year for so many people, especially like if you're not close with your family or like, you know, just not everyone has a place to hang out on Christmas. So, I figured I would let you all know in case there's some of you that relate and would like a cool place to hang out. She is very cool, and yeah. But in the meantime, only on Twitter. No, we're here. Hi, Safal. Welcome in. But yeah, so we're gonna work on some problems today. All right. Well, already. Also, if any of you have recommendations for Discord bot or anything like that, okay, Discord bot, would love to see it. I straight up, like this holiday, I should literally just build some bots because this is actually ridiculous. I would love to have one to like manage my stream and one to like manage Discord. And it would be it's a great project, but joke's on me. All right, let me move you over here and then I'm going to change. I don't know if I need to change anything for my YouTube one. Just updating everything. And I think that's pretty much it. No alerts? For what? Hello? Oh yeah, I think my alerts are broken. I honestly don't think I've had alerts for a long time. Hi, Saeed. Welcome in. Hold on. I'm just updating. What are questions I get asked all the time? Theme. Yeah, you know what, Monka? There's a bot that we could do. Hi, Anthony. Is there yeah, you can have a bot that posts to like one or the other. You're my favorite coding streamer. Oh, thank you. I appreciate that. Ça code. Wait, what'd I say? On va commencer le coding très not tôt, like soon. What's soon? I'm blanking. blanking a little bit. Prochainement, that next. Yeah, that would be like next, wouldn't it? Jeudi prochain. How do you think it handles like the combination? Would the experience be broken for it? Basically, I think they all go to. So YouTube can already see Twitch. Twitch can't see YouTube. I think the bot would show on the Twitch chat what people are saying on YouTube. I'm so glad. That's so nice. That's so nice of you. Say I'm your French stream or favorite. Oh my god, favorite streamer, not French streamer. You guys are already. I already can't speak, and now I have to speak 2 languages. I can barely speak English today. Okay. Hi, Denny. How's it going? How's it going? Did you change your name? Okay, yeah, it's the same Denny. I was like, is this a new person? You changed your name. My English is comme toi. Parfois, j'oublie un mot en anglais. Ouais. J'oublie toujours les mots en français, mais ça aide beaucoup de pouvoir parler avec le chat en français. Will there be something about mobile development? No, I'm not a mobile developer. I don't really do mobile development. Not really. Let's do theme. Hold on, I'm just updating some stuff on YouTube. Theme. We'll say font. Also, typing's hard for me today. I'm just overall struggling. I think I need to adjust lighting here for a sec. 1 sec. Okay, I think there's a chance. There's a chance that's better. Are you talking in third person? Oh wait, this is 2 people. The breaker. Wait, I'm so confused. Denny, are you sharing an account with somebody, or are you talking about yourself in the third person? It's me. I have something cool I'm working on. I want you in on it. Check your Twitter DM when you have a moment. Okay. I'm so confused. Introverts, thank you so much for the 2 months. I appreciate it. Thank you. You've mentioned that you speak. No, I don't. I'm not Russian. I don't speak any Russian. GitHub logo in the background's awesome. Thank you. I'm also wearing their hat. I'm just absolutely decked out in GitHub stuff. I think my lighting is like not awesome. Do I have these on? No. Okay, I think that's better. Barely know what's going on. I was trying a new setup for lighting. I'm trying to find like consistent lighting. English is hard for me too. I have another account for gaming content. Oh, you can honestly on Twitch, I think the Twitch is super easy to have both on the same platform. Like it doesn't hurt you. But YouTube I think is more particular. YouTube is more particular about getting everything in the right what's it called? Getting something more like specific. You know what I mean? Wait, people told you to wait. People told you to combine. Yeah, on Twitch, you're totally cool. Twitch, you're totally cool. I think YouTube is better. Like honestly, with YouTube, pretty much like if it's not. Like even at work, like basically if it veers from like our regular content that people come to expect from our YouTube channel, I just create a new channel for that kind of content. But I think because then like when you're getting a bunch of people in from like a coding video, they're not really interested in like seeing your gaming content necessarily. So I personally think it's better to have 2. You could do playlists. The only thing is, so like the reason why I like go for like more accounts that are more specific versus like one account that's more generic is because then people might start like ignoring your notifications. So like you could have it where like maybe if your main content is like coding but you want to do gaming content sometimes, like maybe you just don't notify all your subscribers. But I just wouldn't want people like ignoring the content because like they signed up for the gaming stuff but then they get notified about like they sign up for the coding stuff and then they get notified about the gaming stuff, and it might cause some people to like unsubscribe because they're like, oh, this isn't what I wanted. You know what I mean? But Twitch is like, people just choose, like, Twitch is different because it's not, the discoverability is like, yes, you have people that like will just watch you for certain, like a specific kind of content, but it's a lot more kind of like personable, if you know what I mean. On Twitch, oh yeah, you can do it all on one account. Like even my friend G, she like study time, she used to have 2 accounts. The thing is discoverability on Twitch is pretty bad. So like it's a lot easier for like your audience, like even if not, like people can just not watch your stream if they're not interested in like the category that you're in. It's a lot easier to like say, it's like, okay, well, I'm doing gaming. Like you can see the category when I go live. You can see it like when I'm live as well. It like shows what you're streaming. So yeah, I find it's a lot easier. But otherwise, if you have a separate account, like it's already hard to grow 1 account on Twitch. It's like super hard to grow 2. Yeah. It's like, I would say Twitch is much more like flexible. I wouldn't stream my gaming stuff on YouTube. I only stream like my coding or like co-working stuff. Tu continues les streams français un peu? Ouais. On fait les deux. On fait anglais et français. Yeah. Hi guys. Salut James. Ouais, ça va bien, merci. Et toi? Have you started to use ChatGPT to help with Go? No, I haven't. Honestly, I'm not that interested in like AI tools. I'm just not that interested in like I don't know. I maybe if I was like further along in my career, but I'm still at the point where I'm looking, like I want things to, I'm not looking for like to make my coding experience any easier, which sounds kind of backwards, but I know that if the more I practice, the easier it's going to come to me. And I'd rather be in a place where I'm like already comfortable with doing that stuff a lot, I guess. Where it's like, it's already second nature, and then like the tools make me faster versus like cutting straight to using the tools. Like, you know what I mean? I don't want to take the shortcut. Unless I was using it for like an answer key to a question. Like if I try and answer a question myself and then I'm like, oh, I don't know what the actual answer is, or like the process to get to that answer, then I would use it. But I don't think I would. I'm not really interested in like having answers handed to me, if that makes sense. What do you think about Emacs? Oh no, get him out. No, I'm just kidding. I always got to give a hard time to the Emacs users just because I use NeoVim. I actually haven't tried Emacs. It does sound interesting though, to be honest. Don't tell TJ I said that though. Okay. GitHub Copilot is goated. Listen. We'll do a Copilot stream where I try it out. I promise. I haven't tried it yet. So we'll do a live reaction. Do you think it's worth it for me to stream just chatting and learning how to code? Because I don't want to have my friends and you raid me and then people watching me do HTML and CSS and JS. Do you think it's worth? Honestly, when I first started streaming, I had no idea what I was doing. Like, to be fair, I think like it doesn't really matter. Like the thing is too, so like even yesterday, like we had some kind of like elitist people come into chat and try and kind of like bring in that energy. That's so far from what my community is. And that's like, I just banned them. I was like, you know what? Like, I'm sorry. You're just not a good fit. You're not bringing out the best in the community. And like, it's just not a match, but like, good luck. You can disallow rating, honestly, but rating, like, it doesn't even matter. Honestly, most of the time people aren't even following along with like what you're doing on stream. They just want to like code with someone. You know what I mean? You might get some people judging you. Yeah. Like literally, like the only people that are going to be like super judgy are the ones that are like insecure and like trying to make themselves feel better about themselves. You know what I mean? like it's just they're just projecting their own insecurities. So like that's where like you grow kind of a thick skin with that, because you're just like, that's very much a you problem, and have fun with that. But we don't do that here. So see you next time. Because the reality is like there's going to be people that come onto your stream that are trying to learn the same things that you are, or that are struggling with something themselves and are being like super humbled by what they're learning. And it's kind of nice to watch somebody else struggle with something. Like it's so I personally find the whole like idealistic like highlight reel that like social media can be so unattractive. I'm like so not I don't like that about social media. I'm struggling teaching how to code bash. Listen, there's no way. Uno reverse, Icarus. I'm struggling and you teach me how to code. How about that? We're just chatting right now, Wayland. We are going to get into it very, very soon, though. Coding elitism is the highest form of insecurity in tech to me. Yeah, totally. Totally. The thing is, too, is like sometimes it is someone just like trying to be part of the conversation. And so like they're doing their best to like, oh, well, here's something I'm interested in. They don't know how to present it. So like, I always like toss them a bone and be like, okay, well, here's a like another way to kind of pivot the conversation into something that like you're passionate about and I'm interested in, and then like now you can contribute in like a healthier way to the conversation. But if they continue to just kind of like try and pick fights and like try and like one up or whatever, then it's just like, no, it's just, I tried to help. I tried to give you a little guidance there, but like, no. I can help you with coding if you need help. I thank you for the offer. I have I do have a good group of people that I often kind of like jump to for questions and stuff like that, thankfully. I'm actually not sure for DevOps. I have no idea. I know like literally nothing about DevOps. All I know is that DevOps like a lot of YAML files, but like that's more of like just a configuration thing. The plan for today's stream is to catch up on what's been happening in the charm community for works, basically, because they've been super neglected. I haven't answered. There's like tons of questions that people are asking on like how to do things, or like they need help debugging their code and like stuff like that. And just like everyone's been so busy, it's been kind of on the back burner. So that's what's happening. When did you start coding / programming? I think I started in like 2016, and then I did that for like my first year of university basically, and then I was like, wow, this is really, really hard. I can't do this. And I like didn't code for like 3 years, and then I really missed it, and I was like, okay, I am going to do it this time, and because otherwise I know I'm going to regret not doing it. So I had to like teach myself again from scratch, and well, like kind of from scratch. I still remembered some stuff, but yeah. So then that was in 2018. But yeah. What's your favorite conventional CS subject? Like if you had to pick subjects in school. I always liked the programming classes, but obviously, right? I always liked the programming classes. I feel like I liked math classes when I understood why we had to learn it, like when it was more directly applicable to programming, or like they did a good job of like explaining why it's helpful for programming, then I liked them as well. What else? I was just thinking about this for a bit, and Bunny told me she'd raid me. I thought it was a bad thing. No. The rating is rating is literally the only way to grow a stream. Like it's literally, unless you have an existing platform on another, like, or an existing presence on another platform, then like you can get people in. But literally, like, people that watch streams are watching streams already. You know what I mean? Speaking of struggling, I'm currently working on a project for uni, and the part I'm most unhappy with is how I manage the state my program is in. I basically have an application struct with an enum that gets changed when the state changes. I mean, I think that's pretty common. There's probably not a one-fits-all answer, but how would you tackle if that was a problem? An application struct with an enum that gets changed when the state changes. I mean, that kind of sounds fine to me, to be honest. But it depends. Like if it's getting super complex, then you might want to break it down into like smaller structs. Like you should have more. Application is very generic. You should have it be a little bit more cohesive, a little bit more like specialized, basically, as to like the what is the function of this struct, and then have some like one thing that like ties it together that gets initialized and handles state, and then like the state, and then the what gets shown or like what gets called or whatever is like depends on the state, right? That's what I would say. What did Faison say? Ha! No, I'm a plant. Wait, what? What was that replying to, Faison? I didn't even see. The amount of stuff I got done yesterday blew my mind. Yo, nice, Owen. I love that. Yesterday was productive. I'm so glad. I'm so glad. Has anyone read GPT's terms of service? I haven't read it, but there's a possibility of bad stuff being in there. I always read the terms of service, especially for like things that are being super hyped up on social media. Ever since reading like the TikTok privacy policy, I'm so aware. I'm like, wow, people will literally, like, TikTok is so popular. People will literally say yes to anything. I gotta like read these policies. This is insane. And that's why I use so many open source stuff now. Also, my lighting is messed. It's so like red and weird. I might have to change it. Hold on. All right, I can't tell. I think that's a little better. I like it when it like looks cold. I like the cool tones. But I think my key light's just too small. The TOS/privacy policy. Oh, I bet, Peter. No, like it's like literally the most valuable thing in the tech space is your data. Like, of course, companies, especially if they can get away with it, companies are going to take all of the information they can and sell it to third parties or whatever, especially if it's like a free tool. Like especially if it's a free tool, like they got to monetize somehow. Let me just adjust my key light. Can't tell. It's so weird. Like I feel like I have pretty like controlled lighting, but like I always have to adjust my lighting. I don't really understand. I'm just bad. I think I'm just bad at production stuff. Hi, Neko. Winston. Hi, Winston. How's it going? Yeah, you are the product. Yeah. I just saw the GitHub logo. Isn't it? Yeah, it's cool. Hey. Thoughts on Bitcoin? What is there to think about it? Do use it at your own risk, I guess. Pros and cons to things being decentralized. Release the first video about Mind.Neovim today. It's the first out of 5. I'll probably keep releasing them each week and add them to. Faison, can you DM? Well, do I follow you on YouTube? Do I even like? Am I a fake fan? Faison, I really wanted to do one on Mind.Neovim as well. Oh, here you go. That's awesome. That's so good. Actually, Faison, I would love to do some collabs or something in the new year. I'll DM you to see what we can organize, because I think it'd be super fun to do something. Love it. I'm gonna like it. I'm gonna add it to my Neovim playlist as well. Save Neovim. Nice. We love it. Everyone who's interested in Neovim, you can check out Faison's new video, by the way. The Maryland MVA's Wi-Fi terms and service has a clause that they own anything you make while using it. What the hell? Yeah, honestly, it's insane. Yeah, I've seen contracts like that as well. It's insane. Wild. Literally, they know that people like got in bad habits of like not reading contracts, and now people they just put whatever they want in there. I want to start streaming, but it's so intimidating, and I'm kind of stupid Google, and I Google so much. If it makes you feel better, I mostly don't get anything done on stream. And like if it makes you feel better, you're gonna be even slower on stream, and nobody's gonna notice. It's fine. Wait, it's a new channel? Did I link the right one? Yeah, this is the right one. Okay, cool. You mentioned that a couple weeks ago, and yeah, okay, let me... Shame stream is the best stream. This is true. This is how Icarus got VIP'd, is pretty much through shaming me into becoming a better developer. But also helping. That's the thing, okay? That's the thing with Icarus, all right? Oh, goodness. That's the thing with Icarus, all right? Icarus is... Tough love is Icarus's strategy here. Yeah. Like, literally, he said he said something nice to me recently, and I screenshotted it. I have it on my computer. Icarus is always like, haha, you suck, but then also actually helps me improve. And then also still shows up even when I'm writing garbage code. You know what I mean? It's not just somebody who's like, they're coming in here and they're like, haha, that code looks trash, and then they just leave and then they wait for you to do something better. No. I actually really do. I want to print it out and frame it. I'll have it in my background. True love. Yeah, exactly. Me and my mods and my VIPs, love them all, and they're the most neglected / bullied of all of my chat. Oh god, I don't need to be lore? Okay, I'll keep you... Your privacy is safe with me. Am I still VIP? Actually, Winston is probably the only VIP I don't bully. Winston's too kind. Winston's just like a precious carrier of cat poutine. Winston is chaotic good, I think. The rest of you, chaotic evil. I definitely feel like I'm chaotic. I think I'm chaotic neutral, because sometimes I'm very like... Also, hi Avars, what's up? I feel like I'm pretty chaotic neutral, because I'm definitely chaotic, but sometimes I'm very wholesome, and then sometimes I'm like a little crazy. A little crazy. Do you guys ever get mad at somebody for what they did in your dream? I'm curious. Like, someone does something in your dream, you just wake up the next day, you're so cranky, and you're like, how dare you? Is this... No? Okay, listen. I'm pretty sure the girls out there might relate, but I don't know. I don't know about the rest of you, okay? We gotta... You should blame me for dream things Dream Me did. Yeah, I'm pretty sure if there's anything that you need to know about women, I'm generalizing. If there's anything you need to... I'm not my only friend, okay, that does this. A lot of my girlfriends, it's like, you even like thinking of some hypothetical thing. Oh, it'd be so nice if I went home and like there were flowers there. Like, imagine he got me flowers today. Like, I'm having such a bad day. Imagine that happens. And then you go home and there's no flowers and you're like, what the hell? And so it's just this thing you made up in your mind of like, what a great hypothetical scenario. And then now you're mad that it didn't happen. Guys do the same thing? Okay, cool. Anyway, all of you who agree with me on that, you're kind of crazy, and I'm here for it, okay? Yeah, be prepared. Like, if they're ever mad at you for no reason, just be like, what happened here? What caused this? Everything's so peaceful. Yeah, I totally do that. I'll stick with coding. Jesus, yeah. Why is there a français tag? Do you speak French? Yeah. It's French and English. I do that on my guy. I'm feral. Yeah, it's so bad. But like the trick is you gotta have friends and loved ones that call you on it. They're like, did you have a bad dream about me again? Like, listen, maybe. Also set realistic expectations by almost never buying flowers. Yeah, exactly. On switch to en français. Yeah. Si vous parlez en français dans le chat, moi je vais répondre en français. Recently I died in a lot of my dreams. That's morbid. Are you okay? I rarely dream, but sometimes I have nightmares about being, oh, dude, I swear I still sometimes have nightmares that like there's an exam that I forgot about and I slept through it. I swear, school is like traumatic. Okay. Hold on, I gotta switch. All right. There we go, chat. All right, we're solving stuff. All right, we're gonna go to the help corner. We got these. Okay. Oh, someone even pinged me in this one. All right. Items are not getting reflected. All right. So we are looking at Discord stuff first. All right. Title. Okay. Are not getting reflected. Okay, and then they gave me some code in Go. And then, you know what's funny? So, Denny, I know that you were just saying, like you would feel kind of like imposter syndrome if you're like learning on stream. I want you to know, I used to have major imposter syndrome. Like, I used to be so intimidated by Prime. Did you know? I was actually scared. Like, I actually used to be, like, not like scared of, like, who's that? But, like, I used to be kind of scared of Prime. All right? Confession. And now we're, like, best buds. This is IBM Plex mono font. I think exclamation mark font is actually up to date. Okay, this is, I don't know how I'm, okay, wait. You guys probably can't see this. Okay, so your items are not getting reflected. All right, and then this is this screenshot. Actually, is there a good, it's dead. I think it's Plex mono in the nerd font directory. I just got my DApp. Yo, did you watch our video on how to set up NeoVim DApp? Because, you know, TJ, aka maintainer of NeoVim, and I actually did a collab on how to set up NeoVim DApp. Did you know? Yeah, my theme is cappuccino. Correct. Reflection is bad. Okay, hold on. Let me, oh yeah, I was editing YouTube. Cool. All right, there we go. That's what I was doing. All right, now I'm going to close that, and then now we got more room for chat. Nightbot's considerably slower. Interesting. Maybe it gets vetted. I'm just going to resize this real quick because have a great stream. Sleep time here. Yo, ditto. Whenever you're streaming, it's literally like it's nighttime. It's still sleep time for me. Why return model, which is the object you're mutating? It's actually not. It's actually immutable. It's based on the Elm architecture, so it's actually like you're not actually making modifications to like the model that you're referencing in the update that you're calling update on, if that makes sense. Yeah, it's because of Elm. Am I from Canada? I am. I know time zone sucks. Same with your streams. I know. Okay, this isn't a pointer. Everything is awful. Yeah. Okay, let me see what's going on here. So basically, the items are not showing for some reason. I think it's just based on the fact that they need to implement the item interface, but then the list.item I think is different. Than list. Oh wait. I think item is different than list.item interface. If I recall correctly, they have to have a title and description in there. I think it's item for default for like delegate. I think delegate item is different than, and you need both. All right, let me confirm this. Woman. Need to move to Canada. Beautiful and intelligent women live there. I think they're everywhere, to be honest. There are a lot of Canadian content creators, though. That's one thing I've noticed. A lot of Canadian content creators, like either on YouTube or whatever. I mean, they're all kind of everywhere, but they don't really leave. I don't think where you live really makes that big of a difference. And I say that because, like, they're all on the internet anyway. You know what I mean? A lot of people, like, yeah. A lot of them don't leave their house, you know? Especially if they're nerds. Like, they're not going to leave the house. They're not going to be the ones, like, they're often, like, what I've noticed, there's so many women that are in the tech space that didn't have traditional CS backgrounds. Like, they changed, they, like, changed majors or something. Also, Denny, thank you for the gifted sub 20 minutes ago. I'm a really good streamer. What can I say? And Hegelberg, thank you for 9 months, 9 minutes ago. Jay, thank you for the 2 months prime sub. Very much appreciate it. Thank you, thank you. I did not live in Quebec, no. No. Boys? What's ID? Idaho? Huh? Okay, there's one thing. Can I just like roast Americans for a second? Are Americans gonna cancel me if I do? Because I need to say, one thing that I find really funny every time that I go to the States is like, or like interact with any US companies, is like they just expect that everything else is the same as how it is in America. Like, I remember having to work with an American company, and like they're like, oh yeah, no, like it's all, everything's already like pre-configured. We've got like so many clients that like, you know, are in the same industry, and like this is the configuration that they have, and blah blah blah. And like everything, it literally just has a dollar sign for the currency. It literally just has a dollar sign for the currency. And I'm like, do you realize that there are many other dollars that exist in the world that are not US dollars? And now this looks like and we're a Canadian company, and now every single like invoice, everything has just a dollar sign, and it means US dollars instead of Canadian. And like taxes don't work the same. Like, why is this set up with American taxes? Like, anyway, that's one thing. And then like I have to know the conversion between meters and feet. I'm not American. When would I use feet? I guess I use feet for my height. Are there other, literally Canadian dollar. Okay. What other dollars? I don't know other dollars, but Canadian dollars, US dollars, they both have the same symbol. All right. I think because Americans can live their whole life without leaving the US. Yeah. And like they expect like everyone to like respond well to just being an English speaker as well, which like kind of drives me nuts. Cause like, I mean, I think it's polite. It's the right thing to do to like, if you're going to another country, to like educate yourself on like what is good etiquette there, what might be construed as rude. Like, you should know those things before you travel somewhere. And like, it drives me nuts that they're just like, oh no, I'm like American, I can just like be American in this other country and that'll be fine. And it's like, bro, you're gonna offend people. Like, what do you mean? Australian dollars. Exactly. Thank you. I knew I was missing something. There's so many dollars. And they're all dollar signs. Why would you not just say USD? Like, you're so not internationally friendly. Why are you like this? And I'm complaining, and I'm literally in the country that is closest culturally to the US. What about the rest of the world? How do they feel? What do you think about the accent? I mean, I can't really speak to that because, like, apparently all the West Coast, we all sound the same. So, like, I kind of sound the same as people in California. I like the accents. I think accents are great. Oh, that's a good idea, Faison. This is what happens when you're told you're the number one country in the world for 50 years. That's true. They've been walking for many kilometers and now my meters are exactly. As an American, I've always felt America is the most uncultured, narrow-minded country in the world. I love living here, but I think other countries are better overall. I don't know what it is. I don't know why America's like that, but it's just, yeah, like it's very different from other places in the world. And I feel like Americans also can be very unaware that it's different from other places in the world. I don't understand. I don't get why. Like, aren't you curious? Aren't you curious about the rest of the world? But I'm pretty sure, like, so in Canada, we're like forced to learn like European history and stuff like that up until a certain point. I'm pretty like, I don't know if they have to learn that in the States. I don't really know. Incidentally, one of the tasks I did during your stream was replacing hard-coded USD with dynamic money amounts by country. I love that. That's so funny. My app is a very American-centric. I know, it drives me nuts. Why are you like this? Why? It's bad that people don't take the blinders off and don't realize there are other cultures out there. I know. You're missing out on so much. USA is more than 2 times larger landmass. Okay, if we're going by landmass, my country is still bigger than your country. Why would that be a metric that we care about? Nobody follows Canadian culture, okay? Nobody cares about our Canadian bacon or our maple syrup. California is bigger than Canada? Oh, yeah, you're right. Sorry, I forgot about that one. I forgot about that state. You're right. My bad. Nobody cares about Canada, man. Eh? Man. Where did that come from? All right. I gotta look at bubbles. And then we'll give them a little info. Okay, bubbles. And then here I need to look for item. Or is it somewhere else? Hold on, I gotta look at it. I might be in Bubbles' list. Yeah, it's default item. That's what it is. That's what they need to implement. Yeah, you need to also... the default item interface. I'm gonna what is this? Blob. I'm gonna copy that. Oh shoot, my bad. All right, cool. Anyway, I'm done roasting Americans. Love you, by the way. I also love when I go there how big the portion sizes are, because then I actually get like 2 or 3 meals out of one meal. So economical. I can't imagine actually how big the portions at Costco in the States would be. Insane. I feel like literally our like Costco portions is like one meal at an American restaurant. Like you buy like butter chicken at Costco and it's like a kilo of butter chicken. It's like the same. I swear that's the same portion size I got when I was over there. Bubble tea is a waste of good tea. Ban them. Get them out. Banned. That is such a hot take. There's butter chicken. Yeah. Bro, who needs meal prep? Just go to Costco. Can you please convert kilo to pounds? I'm pretty sure 2.2 pounds is 1 kilo. Am I right or am I wrong? Pounds to... Oh, just kidding. Wait, no. I was thinking feet. It was 2.2 feet to 1 meter. Sorry, that's my bad. 1 pound is 0.45 kilos. All right, today I learned. Isn't it? Wait, no? Am I wrong on that too? Okay, wait, foot to meter. Wait, no, wait, meter to foot. I just got so confused. Wait, what? What's 2.2? What else is there? 1 kilo is 2.2 pounds. Oh, okay. So I just looked, when I looked it up, it gave me the reverse of what I actually meant to ask for. Whew. Got him. I am USA born, and that's not how all of us are. You need to embrace all the other cultures. I have coworkers from all over, and while chatting, I'll ask them about their culture to understand, and also to ensure I don't have... Yeah, exactly. Totally. We're going to be covering content from we're going to be covering content from Canada, Europe, and Australia as well next year, so we won't be so... Well, because now is the... good. It's good that you have some Canadian content, because we're literally, our like history after we were colonized is basically like, oh yeah, the US went to war, and then so like we sent our military too, because our neighbors went to war, so now we're in the war too, and we always take their side. That's pretty much Canadian history from there on. To be fair, like, good call. I support this decision. Okay, not that any political leader ever has asked me, nor would I want them to. I don't want to say in that. But yeah, okay. I'm gonna put that in. Actually, I don't think I need to document this. Actually, where's the... Did I delete it? And then, okay, whatever. I don't even know where a default item is in our documentation, to be honest. All right, I'm going to yoink that. Get rid of the solution, so it's not just pasted from my notes. This I can delete. Let's just say the problem is basically items are not showing up after implementing the list.item interface. Okay, cool. I guess I should include a link here. All right, I think this is answered. I'm going to mark it as answered, and then maybe they can change it if it's not. Because that's a question we've gotten more than once, which means we probably need better docs on it. Do I have something in here already? Expose setting and triggering filter automatically. Wait, these, why are these still open? Filter value. What is this? I need to go through some of these issues. There's so many. Oh no. Title wrapping not working correctly. Oh, I've seen that actually. All right. So add required interfaces for adding lists items to a list. We get asked a lot about for help troubleshooting. Bye, John. Thank you so much for hanging out. I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you. What keyboard? I'm using my Ducky right now. I'm taking a break from the Dactyl, unfortunately. We're going to figure out how to use it. We're going to get better with it in the new year. It's just like, it's slowing me down so much, and I just don't have the patience for it right now. The hard thing is, it'd be different if I got to code all day, every day, and I got like tons and tons of practice using my keyboard, but I'm like fighting to have any coding time at all, and it makes it harder. Like, it makes it really hard to like use a keyboard that's like slowing me down when I'm already like struggling to make time to code. You know what I mean? I'm like, oh my God, I already know what I want, what I need to do. And it's really frustrating me that like I have limited time to do it. And also like this keyboard is the only reason that I'm not doing it faster. It's so frustrating. I'm excited for my Dactyl to arrive, but worried I should have. Why? What are you worried about, Honda? Did you order one on from Reddit? Where'd you get your Dactyl from? We get asked for help troubleshooting this a lot. I think our docs could be more clear on what interfaces you need to implement for custom list items. I cannot type. Wow, okay. Waiting for the dark version of the Moonlander. Yeah, I wanted something curved. That's why I didn't go with it. I feel like, but with learning NeoVim, yeah, I feel like that is one thing that was nice when I was learning NeoVim, is like I didn't have that, like I didn't really have anything better to do, you know? Oh, I like linear switches better than tactile, to be honest. They're too freaking light. Do you mean the Zakus or the silvers? Yeah, my coworker uses the Moonlander and loves it. The silvers, oh, they are, yeah, they are kind of hard to type with, only because the actuation's so shallow that it's just like, it's so easy to like typo. Especially when I have like having long nails and typing on a mechanical keyboard is just not the vibe. Just not the vibe. Okay, so interfaces they need to implement include list.item and the list.default item, I think. Yeah. I think. Or is it just default item that needs to get? Yeah, it needs to be both. Okay, I think this one I'm going to mark answered. And then we'll go through more help stuff. I'm stuck working vanilla JavaScript. I hate JavaScript. JavaScript can be really annoying. I feel for you. Okay, wait, you guys, hold the phone one sec. I need to actually let me do that. Oh, but then you guys can't see my size is all off here. There. All right, 1 sec. I need a BRB. Okay, I gotta zoom everything the heck out. All right, I'll be right back. I'm gonna put my BRB scene on, but I promise I'll be right back. It won't be like a 30-minute break. All right, go get some water. Go make sure you're hydrated. Go to the bathroom, do some stretching, whatever. I'll be back in like, I don't know, 5 minutes. Hello. All right, we're back. Oh no, Sock. Welcome in. Yeah, that's what Twitch is just like that. Twitch is just like that. Ads everywhere. Not skippable either. It's like the worst is when I'm like talking to one of my friends or something like that, or like talking to somebody and then they're like just as they reply to what you're saying, an ad pops up and it's like a solid like minute, which is forever in stream time, and then they don't even remember what they said. The worst. All right, what is this? So I'd like to have the values in my table colored differently depending on some condition. A G, if the value is negative, show it in red. If it's positive, show it in green. All right. Okay, table customization. All right. Actually, I'll put quotes around it as well. So there we go. All right. So then here the problem conditional formatting for cells in a table. All right, solution. Did they give us any code? Any ideas / examples? No, they didn't give any code. All right, chat. Should we try it? All right, let's go charm, bubble tea. Oh, what did I change here? Oh. File picker. No. Okay, wait. Do I have to add it first? Git add and then git reset hard? I always forget. Yeah, I do. Okay. Update read. Wait, when even was that? I haven't updated this in so long. Here you go. I need to get like a dock or something for my USBs. I'll go back to being a plant. Gotta go. Bye, Faison. Thank you for hanging out. Thank you. Terminal's truncated last line. Okay, I can't see it, so let me. Chat is red. Yeah, chat's red. I got a little jump scared when you came back. Listen. That's a problem. That's not ideal. Okay, let me. Oh, you're right. But then if I resize this and make it smaller, I think it's too small. Yeah, okay, so I'll just move it that way. There we go. And then let me move this color a little bit up so it doesn't look so scuffed. Wait, OBS is so little right now, I can't even see what I'm doing, to be honest. Yeah, chat's red. Oh, don't forget your water and sunlight. True. I don't like all the languages where everything is immutable. Oh, really? I'm actually excited about that for Haskell. Hello? Got like a big air bubble in my stomach when I was drinking that water. I'm a little concerned. Okay. So what do they want? They want, if the value is negative. I don't know. Anyway, let's go into the examples and let's see what we can do. First, I'm going to change branches. Git checkout. Chat, what are your thoughts on people that like just talk about, so like if they just talk about coding but they don't code? You know what I mean? Or like they talk about, they're like they do content or whatever about like databases, but like they don't work with databases. They just like look it up. They just like research it and like share what they've researched basically. Or like they used to, but now they don't. Tech tubers. That's kind of what I'm finding. I think there might be a lot of tech YouTubers that like don't code. I can understand why, because holy is it a lot of work to create a YouTube video where you're actually like coding, like doing coding tutorials and stuff like that takes so long. They take so much effort. It's actually insane. Does the default system start date of Golang ever cause problems for you when dealing with date and times? I mean, not really, because I'll just format it using that date and then it's totally fine. Those people, like, it gives me a weird vibe. Keeps them in magic space where they can always relate to newcomers. Maybe. I had an engineering manager who can't code say that any idiot can code. Oh no. I don't like the tech tubers who don't code. Yeah, like I can understand because like holy, like YouTube literally takes so much time to do. But at the same time, like I would feel so weird just talking about something and like not building. Like literally I get forced into situations like that kind of because of like just based on my schedule, and I'm like, oh my god, I haven't coded in like 2 weeks. I feel like an imposter talking like teaching people how to do this coding. You know what I mean? Or like talking about it even. And then I have to like, and then I'm like, okay, I need a day to cleanse my soul and code, to just code. Yeah, like that's what I'm trying to get better with as well on YouTube is basically like I've realized I have like a lot of videos where it's like sit down talking about something, and I'm like, why? Like I literally did that with like a video, like my video recently where I went over like my how I contribute to like to open source with Neovim, like my workflow basically, because I had filmed it as like a sit down video, and then I was like, oh, I got to get a bunch of B-roll of like me doing those things, and then I was like, why not just film it like me doing the things instead, like, you know, don't talk, like, you know, don't talk. That was really good. Winston, I literally thought I got disconnected or something because it just went silent. And then Lemon pressed like their keyboard, and I was like, wait, what? Teach how to code, but they don't code. Yeah, totally. Yeah. I don't need to show them I don't need them to show the process of them coding. If they talk about what they've made, it's fine. Yeah. Agreed. X. Yeah. Yeah. Like, I don't know. It feels weird. My manager likes to say she gets stuff done and then expects that speed of everyone else, and she wonders why the code base is a mess. Ugh. Ugh. I hate that. I hate that. Oh, Sock, I have like some YouTube content for Neovim, but I do have some like I have a Neovim playlist where I've featured some of my favorite, like I've included some of my favorite Neovim content creators, aka like most of them I'm friends with. The Primogen and TJ literally just did videos on like how to get Neovim set up from scratch. What if you code but you're not good at it? You're still relatable because none of us are really that good at it. And if you're good at one thing, doesn't mean that you're good at everything. You know what I mean? If you think you're a god at programming, you need to be humbled by something new. Maybe you need to like just start writing your code in binary, something like that. Yeah, Sock. I felt the same way when I first was learning coding. You might like the collabs that I've done with TJ. We're planning on doing more in the new year as well. But like those ones, I've like even slowed him down a little bit, TJ. Because I would like stop and ask questions, and like I was complete noob at like all of the things that we were doing together. Yeah, the Reddit is great. Honestly, like very wholesome Reddit community. Not gonna lie, very wholesome. All right, let's go to examples and table. Is the code like zoomed in enough for you guys? Do I need to zoom it in more? A Reddit community wholesome. Listen, I called Linux users wholesome, and Theo added me on Twitter. He was like, at Bash Bunny, are you kidding me? And I'm like, you know what? I regret nothing. All right, so I think this is the table example. Wait, I think there's a bunch of stuff we haven't merged for this one. I'm actually kind of scared. I'm actually kind of scared. All right, let's look at the styling for this. So it looks like table. Let me look at the definition of the table. Let's go to definition. Wait, what? Did I just get brought to the beginning? Hello? Hello? Can I go to definition here? Yeah, this is... Oh, there we go. I was like, wait, what? Okay, cursor and styles. Interesting how the styles are private. I think it's GR. Interesting that the styles are private. Returns a set of default style definitions for this table. I'm so sorry with my creaky arm mount. You hit GGD instead of... No, I do leader GD. Thanks for all the links and recommendations. Yeah, no worries, no worries. There's also This Week in Neovim, which is really good. Yeah, you got it, Danielle. Danielle just linked it as well. This Week in Neovim. That's actually by Faison, who literally just left chat. Your little gopher Neovim tabs are kind of looking like they're trying to haunt me. Yeah, they're actually kind of scary. You're right. They're like ghost gophers. All right, so interesting to me that's like the styles. Okay, wait, what did this return? Styles. I think this is, what is this? Okay, but styles is, can I set style? Is there a set style? Set styles. Okay, so there's set styles. Gotcha. All right, we're good. I think this is the same thing as like text area. So it looks like they can use set styles. Looks like table dot set styles. I should add these. Is a function. So and just yoink this as well. Pass your own styles to that function. A style struct is... Ma'am, do you have any plans for trying Awesome Window Manager or any other lightweight, highly customizable window manager? I actually use i3. I use i3 Window Manager. I tried Awesome. So Awesome is great. The only thing is that you have to be kind of a Lua god to use Awesome or like to customize Awesome. Versus i3, I found really easy to customize. There was like mostly just yoinked people's dot files for i3, but it's actually not that bad to customize i3, which is a big reason why I did that instead. But I do like Awesome how it has like a help menu that you can toggle. That's really nice. I like that you can drag and resize windows with the mouse. Yeah, that's true. I feel like I don't resize windows very often. I only just started resizing windows more often in i3, but it's because I remapped it anyway. So it wasn't that bad. But I use i3 Window Manager. It's actually been on my task list for literal months, like maybe almost a year, for me to do a full like setup video where I go through like my i3 Window Manager setup, my like OS setup. Like there isn't really anything. I pretty much just use bare bones Pop OS, but like with i3 Window Manager. But i3 is so easy to do. Like it wouldn't take me that long. The only thing is that like has stopped me from doing that video is pretty much like I've been too lazy to set up a VM again. And if I'm honest. Okay. Okay, so maybe what they could do is something. So maybe what's possible is to set the is to like have a style for when the selected element is negative. Has a negative value. Then render the table with that style. Otherwise, use default style. All right, we can check out that hypothesis chat. So we don't really need this one. I mean, we can keep it open. It's fine. But basically, we've got the base style. Let's do var red style, question mark, red style. Okay. And then let's actually just yoink this because, and then we just need to change the color. What color do we want? Red. ASCII color. I don't want RGB. I just want the ASCII code. Oh, it's ANSI. That's my bad. That's why I was like, well, that's not. I'm like, I'm pretty sure that's not right. All right, let's see if I can. Can I open this in a new tab so I can actually see what it says? What's this? All right, red. Can I call it 222? Is that right? I don't know. Anyway, what we'll do is view. So m.table.view. Where am I setting the style? T.set styles. Where is that? What function is this in? I think is this in view? No, there's no way. This is new. Main. Wait, main? Okay. Sure. Sure. Wait, huh? They're just rendering the table with base style? Huh. All right. Well, if m.table.selected selected row, how do I get like selected dot hold on. Cell. Header, cell, style definitions for the list component. The problem with this is that like the selected right now selects the entire row. So I don't know how he's planning on getting the exact like a single value from that. You know what I mean? For cells in a table. I actually literally have not looked at this code at all. Where is like current? Cursor? The index of the selected row. Where else is cursor used? Move up if row ID, return rows cursor. What is this? Selected row returns the selected row. Okay, what is a row? m.rows. Can I go to definition here? Okay, what is a row? A row is a list of strings. Okay, so we'll say that we can get the row. We can get the current row, which is selected row. Hold on. We get selected row. Oh gosh, I'm in the wrong one. Okay. So get selected row. All right. And then which returns a row, which is a string. Then at second element, let's say if it is Tokyo. Let's say if the second one is Cairo. If it's Cairo, then make it red. All right. Cool. So then if m.table.selected row at index, wait, this is just going to be a row, selected row, returns, do I have to assign this to something? I'll just say current. I could probably just do, I don't know if I can do that. Can I do that? Can I do that? I don't know if I can. Does that work? I have no idea. Okay. Let's just do an if here and see what happens. Okay. If I think, wait, selected row doesn't ever return an error, right? Yeah. Okay. That might return an error though. What if it's like out of bounds? You know? So I'd have to do like if length of m.table.selected row is greater than 2. So it should short circuit there if that like doesn't exist. Hi guys. Oh, I would like to try i3. Would you please make videos about i3 for complete beginners to pro anytime soon? Honestly, like i3 is actually really easy to use. Literally all you need to do, you can copy, like you can literally just copy someone's config exactly and not have to tweak anything. And you just put it in your like .config folder in your home directory. So it's like .config/i3. You literally just move the config into that folder and like install i3 on your machine with like apt. Like for me, I just did it was just like sudo apt-get install i3 window manager. I think it was something like that. Literally, you just install i3, you clone someone's config into your i3. You don't need to change anything. You sign out, you sign in after like selecting i3 instead of like Ubuntu or whatever, and it will load up your config. It's literally that easy. It's pretty simple. Like I never even have to like touch my configuration for i3 because I have like I have my sound buttons and stuff like that. I've got on my poly bar, I have like the logout and stuff because there's no like, otherwise you have to like remember shortcuts and I always forget what they are. But it's actually really easy. What's the project? Right now we're like helping people with their projects. So like people are asking questions on my work Discord, and I'm like answering their questions. You can hack this by setting, wait, what? You can hack this by setting your wallpaper to a real world location more than 20 feet away from you. There's no way. Why is all that data inside the function? Well, it's because it's just an example. It's not like this isn't like a proper project. It's just like a one file example. You know what I mean? What is the TC at term? What is TC? What does that mean? And is equal to Cairo. Then, okay, return, let's do red style dot render m.table dot view plus new line. Cool. Cannot convert to untyped. Oh, what is this? Oh, my bad. These two. Okay, I will see if that works. I don't really know. Okay, go run. Oh, it changed, it outlined my entire table. Okay, so I need to change the actual styles. That's kind of neat though. But that's not exactly what we were planning on doing. But it does like, I mean, that's pretty much the basics of it. Okay, that's how that was happening. Okay, gotcha. So what we can do, we'll do table. We can create a style, which is red style. Also, it's yellow. That's so not what I wanted. Red 31. Wait, let me just double check the color here for a sec first. Is that gonna be red? That's blue. All right, I don't trust this image that I'm referencing here. Wait, what about 31, 41? Wait, what was? Yeah, no, there's no way. You're just wrong. I think it's annoying me that these are, oh wait, you're right. 88 maybe. Let's try 80, 124. All right. There we go. Finally, we got some red. All right, cool. So let's go back to there. And then what we'll do is, I wish I was smart enough to know how to like turn an existing buffer into like a split with my other one. But alas, I am not. Respect always comes first than anything else. I believe we should always respect everyone, especially female streamers and influencers who always take their time to reach us to teach us something new, because we all know how life can get for female streamers and influencers, especially due to bad people. Nowadays, I think we should all support them and respect them. Oh, that's very kind, Anonymous. Thank you for that. The total value of my compensation. Oh. I don't share that with the internet. I mean, some people might, but it's good. I'm very comfortable. What's your total compensation where you work? But yeah, it was good. They keep a small team so that they can take like really good care of their like employees, so that it's not like stretched too thin and like whatever. So like yeah, it's very high priority for the Charm like co-founders to keep like the team very well taken care of. It's a big priority. You know, healthy team means productive outputs. Wait, y'all get paid? Yeah, exactly. Only sometimes. All right. So selected row, we got that. I had something styles. I feel like whenever I'm streaming, I do one thing and I forget what I was just doing. It's just part of the aesthetic, as one might say. Okay, so the header cell selected. All right, let's do that. Let's yoink it. Let's create one. All right, so we'll say red style, and we'll say, actually, what is the default style? I can literally just yoink this. Hold on. I'm going to yoink this entire function and rename it and change it for red. How about that? That's what I'm talking about, okay? Red styles. All right, and then here, let's change this to, what was it, 88? No, it was 124. 124. I can't read. I was also looking at not my code above, so there's that. Cool. Red styles returns a set of special style definitions. Cool. Cool. Undeclared name styles. This is exported, so I think I should be able to say table.styles. Table.styles. Cool. And then I should be able to set, if that, then let's make m.table. We'll do set styles. Set styles. Yeah. Red styles. Nice. And then that should be able to be the same. Okay, that's not what I meant to do. Okay, that is not exactly what I was planning. Also, why is it messing with the rest of the styles? It's kind of weird. I don't think I changed anything. I literally copied the code. Like, hello? Can you not? What did I do? Red styles, bold, foreground. Oh wait, this is this. Wait, selected, new style, foreground. That's interesting. Where else do they have styles in here? Default styles. Wait, what is this? Yeah, that's just part of render row. Dot styles. Interesting. What is this? Wait, sets the table styles? What does set styles do? Wait, what? Set styles. sets the table styles. Wait, so then what's the difference between that or what was the other one? What the heck? With styles. What is this? Sets the table styles. What? Do I have to do with? What if I do with style? What? Huh? Confused. Little confused. What if I do with styles? I don't really understand the difference between set styles and with styles. What is it saying? Undefined? I'm so confused. Oh, it's just with styles. And it returns a new model. Huh, okay. Neat. The thing I don't understand though, I don't understand why these are, why it like changes anything else. It should be literally the exact same thing. Oh, is this? Yeah, this is literally. Oh yeah, I can. I love command line tools. I wish their libs were in another language though. Yeah, I mean there's Gum if you just want like basic UI components in your tools, but if you're looking for something full-fledged like bubble tea, it doesn't yeah. It doesn't do anything problematic. Does set styles replace it or merges it? It should replace it. Should replace it. It's weird to me how like, why is this collapsing? You know? Let me look at this. Wait, did I not? I didn't publish this. I should have signed myself. Okay, let me look at this real quick. Glass. I just realized your chat doesn't show Nightbot or commands. Wait, what? This line is hard? No, it's not bad. It's not bad. I think it's just in the chat that you see on screen. Yeah, my chat on screen doesn't show commands. Otherwise, it's like a waste of... Yeah. It doesn't show commands. I have it disabled. Alright. Interesting. What if I do like, hold on. I'm just curious if this affects anything. Like what the difference would be. Interesting. I don't understand. I don't know why it's doing that. It's obviously not just those default styles. Where is the background getting set in the tables component? Background. It's not. Is there something here that I'm missing? Oh, wait. Oh. What? It's setting it here? Oh, interesting. Okay, so it's doing default styles and then it changes them. All right, well that's easier. That's easier. Alrighty. So then couldn't I just do s.selected.background? Oh no, because they set styles there. Interesting. Anyway, we're gonna delete this. So let's see what that looks like. Well, I guess default styles doesn't have anything. I'll just change this. I'll just add this to the, I'll just add this to the, what's it called? I'll do a custom styles function. Custom styles. It's table.styles. I so can't type today. It's actually insane. It's actually crazy. Actually, you know what I could just do? I could just do that. This, delete that. We're going to call something else instead. We're going to call custom styles. Then we're going to go back to where I just was, which is here. Okay, and then we'll do S equal to that. Cool. Wait, where am I in table? All right, cool. How the heck did they convince investors to give them typo? Let's not. Let's not be rude. All right? That would fall into the category of a rude, okay? And yeah, we're not going to do that. All right. Unexported customs. Yeah, whatever. Don't worry about it. All right. Oh, it's missing a border on it? Is that why? Hold on. All right. Oh, you're right. That's so weird. Oh, you're right. Okay. So literally what I could do instead. Okay, here's what we're going to do, chat. Here's what we're going to do. All right. Thank you. I love Go Format for fixing all my stuff. Okay, except I forgot to change the color again. My bad. 124. Oh wait, no, that's the wrong one. 124. Here. All right. Nice. Wow. Good job, chat. We did it. Thick cursor is the only cursor. Exactly. Chonky. I actually don't know why my cursor is so large, for the record. It's very large. And I don't know why. All right. So we did that. Let's just... I think I'm going to create a gist. You guys, I keep getting confused. I have so many gists on my GitHub from like helping with issues. Or maybe I'll do a discussion and I'll link it there. I'll link the gist there. I'll do that. Okay. Just description. Bubbles, table customization. That's the gist of it? Yeah, exactly. Well, bye, Daniil. Thanks so much for hanging out. I appreciate it. Thank you. Time to go look for space documentaries with really boring narration. Good call. It's a good way to fall asleep. I actually fell asleep to that Twitter space that Theo was in yesterday. That was hilarious. Seeing Theo and Elon Musk in the same space is so chaotic. Like, I actually audibly, I laughed out loud. Lola Automod. Okay, cool. So yeah, I'm just gonna cat main.go. Be cool. I don't know how to. I'm sure I could cat main.go to my clipboard. This would be main.go. And then all right, cool. Public. Wait, what? Yeah, no, that's right. Okay, I was like very confused for a second there. All right, we're good. So I'm gonna copy that. I'm gonna open up a discussion in for bubbles, I think. And then I'm gonna paste the question from the Discord, because one thing, the beef that I have with Discord forums for help is that, like, it is not helpful for future reference whatsoever. So I am going to create a discussion in the Q&A category and ask about how do I do conditional formatting with the tables bubble, and then I'm gonna paste it. Sorry guys, I'm not showing the what the heck? I'm not showing the window because you could actually cringe at the aspect ratio of this window right now. It's actually insane. It's actually crazy. All right. Solution. There's the gist. Okay. All right. Labels. No. Wait, hello? Did I just find a bug in GitHub? 1 second. Did I just find a GitHub bug? I think I might have. No. What the heck? Interesting. Apparently we're fine. Interesting. All right, cool. Let me send that to them. And then... Oh, wait, that's awkward. I added the solution to the thing, and then I realized that I can't answer it with that. There you go. Oh, I should probably add more context to that. Let's edit. Sorry, you guys can't see what I'm doing. Very lame. Very lame. Actually, I can probably show you. Oh, also, that's funny that this one's actually messed up right now because I resized my thing. All right, let me add a window for browser question mark. Is that gonna work? Okay, don't know which browser this is gonna show, for the record. Okay, there we go. Nice. Now you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, so basically what I'm gonna do is zoom that in a little bit for chat, and then the way to do this would be to create some custom styles for the table. Then use the tables set styles function to change the styling based on some condition. You can see how I implemented this in the just below. Just below. In this case, it changes the background color to red when the name of the city is Cairo. All right, here we go. Here we go. All right, that was it. That's all I wanted to show you. And I can resize this back to what it was. I could actually, I feel like I could have it like that, and then I can move this in a little bit. Is this also still resizing? So then that actually fits. Hold all chat. Hold the phone. I have no idea, you guys, to be honest. To be honest, I don't know. I think that's good enough. Sorry, I have to leave the stream and do some coding since it's around 4 a.m., which is the best and most relaxing time to code. Anonymous, you're built different, okay? Bye, Anonymous. I hope you have a good one. Good luck with the coding. You really code without color changes in this Vim. Oh, no, this isn't Vim. I cat the file to my terminal. I look so tired. No, everything's fine. Everything's good. Things are good. We're just chilling. Imagine. Doesn't FMT print to STD out, but log print to STD error? You can set... that's a good question. FMT definitely prints to STD out. Log prints to wherever you tell it to, but I think that might be because you define STD error. That's a good question. Okay, wait, log. Oh gosh, I still have resize on. Log versus STD. Log to STD error. I think you have to state. I think with log you can state where it's outputting to, because like I've used log where it outputs to a file instead. So, yeah. 4 to 6 a.m. the best time to push production. Even my most hardcore night owl users are usually asleep by. I guess that's true. Yeah, so you create a new log and you set it to os.stderror. Interesting. Have you checked out Backcat? It's a nicer cat with syntax highlight. Oh, nice. No, I haven't tried that. I'm pretty minimal with my plugins and stuff, to be honest. Okay, let me copy that. All right. I think that's smart of me to like basically answer these questions in discussions. So then it's like creating some documentation around that. It's weird though, because like I've gotten in such a habit working at Charm. I've gotten in such a habit of like using package.go.dev or like using like just looking through our code with like go to definition, go to definition, go to definition, basically to like figure out what I need to do. And it like doesn't take that long. But like I forget that a lot of people don't do that. I don't know. Like I don't know how, like it feels like overkill in the documentation to like document everything, right? Because then it's like another thing to maintain. Like the code is never going to be wrong. The code does what it does. Anyway, that's my take. That's all I have to say about that. That is all I have to say about that. Okay, debugging Sunbeam apps. I don't even know what a Sunbeam app is. What about your dev setups for debugging Sunbeam? Do you guys know what a Sunbeam app is? Sunbeam? What the heck? Thanks, Coder. Okay, so this person is asking about this. Which the answer is like already in the docs, so. Oh wait, I think that was the question. So inconsistent with how I'm like solving these, with how I'm writing them. All right, so solution. I literally cannot type today. It's fine. All right, so the solution is basically like same. You can also use maybe I'll put the date today as well. Let's do December 21st, 2022. Okay, there we go. Now I can like keep track of what's happening. Okay, answered. Let me send them the link to the documentation that does that. Oh wait, here's the whole debugging section. Hello? Did that not actually copy the link? Oh, I see. It just like, okay, that's my bad. I just don't know how computers work. It's fine. And I'm gonna mark that one as answered as well. And then the table customization, we copy this link. Copy link, that way I can actually keep track of my answers. Okay, cool. What is next? Yo, MSAC, thank you so much for the raid. I appreciate it. Thank you. Yesterday you was like a rock star. What does that mean? What do you mean? Oh, with the we did a long stream together yesterday. How was your stream? What were you building? Welcome in, everyone. Welcome, welcome. Bash Bunny, what a nickname. Thank you. Thank you. Casual Linux user. Can you tell? All right. I think I can mark this one as answered. That one's already not. Bat's really good. I have not tried bats. Well, who am I? It's literally my output for who am I. I'm pretty sure is Bash Bunny at Bunny Brain. Oh, my computer name is Bunny Brain, and I love it. I updated my website so that it would be more hacker like. Hold on, I'll show my screen. I just gotta figure out my resizing here. Hold on. So when I load it up, I love it. Love it. I'm not much of a web developer these days, so this is my basic little thing. Also, I can do like I can do web applications. I don't, but in this case, I'm actually hosting it on GitHub. I'm using GitHub Pages for it, so I mean, I realized that for static sites, you could actually make it like more complex, but it's literally just HTML and CSS. Literally, my website is just HTML and CSS. The animation's just CSS animation, which is fun. We love it. Learning how to hijack webcam streams over MQTT. You'll love that. And mostly failing to install VLC player. I relate. Casual Linux user problems. All right. There you go. Resized. Perfect. Hold on. I need to fix my hair. It's like getting squashed under my hat. Hair was getting squashed. It was like hurting. Pulling at my roots, man. Hey, Lord. What's up? What up? What up? Why is it a bad thing if people stop using Windows? This is my question. Okay, so it looks like most of these have actually been answered, which is good. Soft serve through wish list. I want to use soft serve through wish list. When I connect to soft serve directly on its own port, I'm connected as admin user. When I connect through wish list with the same SSH key and the same user with agent forwarding, I'm connected as user. Oh, that's should be able to. That's a good question. I've done nothing with wish and wish list, TBH. TBH. I think I don't even know. Hold on. Hello? No. Let's status. I don't need to keep this branch, so we're just gonna do git add. I guess we'll do get reset hard, and then git checkout main. I think it's master actually still. And git branch d. Let's delete the oh, what was the branch called again? Add browse. That's funny. What was it just called? Table formatting. Okay, cool. Nice, we did it. We did it. Because Windows developers need money to buy red Ferraris. This is true. It's true. Casual Windows users and their red Ferraris, for real. All right, let's go. Let's just do like testing wish list and testing wish list. And then I literally don't think I'm using anything for charm on this one. Stream bunny. Okay, I'll back up my keys then. I literally don't think I have anything on this account. But oh wait, what am I doing? See charm, back up. And then I'll copy this. Charm backup keys. Okay, charm backup keys, and it should back it up to my current. Yes. All right, cool. Sick. I'm gonna change charm keys back up. Stream bunny charm backup. Just in case. Oh, whoops. Hold on. .tar. Awkward. Remove the file extension. All right, that's fine. Okay, so then what we'll do, let's do go install github.com/charm bracelet /wishlist. Oh wait, at latest. Yes, that's what I meant to do. My bad. No one saw that. Okay. Wait, wishlist is not a main. Wait, what? Huh? Charm bracelet / wait, what? Wait, is it mad because it's on master? Must be a clean. Oh, my bad, my bad. No one saw that. You guys, I'm doing funny things. Is not a main package. What does that even mean? Is not a main package. Cannot run in non-main. Oh, do I have to do like /command or something like that? Hold on. Okay. Let's try this again. /cmd /wishlist. Gotcha. That was it, you guys. I just should have. I didn't read the docs. Okay. What type of issues are you helping out with? So basically at work, a bunch of people have been building with our stuff and they've had a bunch of questions and I've been neglecting them for the last few weeks because I've been busy with other stuff. So we're basically answering all of their questions that are just like related to tooling and stuff at work. Run ad break? Wow. Okay, we're going to run a 30-second ad break, I guess. 30-second. The shortest one possible. Oh, wait. You recently ran an ad. Okay, I know, it's confused. Okay, we're good. We're good. Okay, so we gotta configure it. So if you just want a directory of existing servers, you can add the wishlist CLI. If you want a directory of existing servers, you can use wishlist CLI and a YAML config file. You can also just run it with 2 lists of servers in your SSH config. All right, hold on. I'm gonna hide my screen for a second and try what happens there. Oh no, it didn't like that one bit. I mean, wait, what? Surprised it doesn't. I thought I do have a config. Oh, I don't. Neat. All right, cool. Well, that clears that right up, doesn't it? Why don't they stream that stuff at universities? What do you mean? Wait, what? I'll never be back to gaming with streams like that. You mean the coding? Like live coding? Oh, but yeah, I agree. It's like literally lectures should be like a live stream. Honestly. It's like you get to answer like ask questions and stuff. I don't know. But I guess lectures are like not, they literally just talk at you for like 2 hours, 3 hours, and then you hopefully don't have questions. All right, so let's try this out. What is this? Installation instructions. Is there an example for example config.yaml? All right, let's clone the example. Config.yaml. Let's make it git.charm.sh. And I think it would be on port, I don't know what port that would be running on. Let's call it charm git repo. Recommended to avoid spaces. Okay. Charm soft. Or I guess I could just do soft serve charm. Charm soft serve? I don't know. Naming is hard. Naming is hard. Okay. Defaults are current remote user stream money? Question mark? I don't know. Oh wait, no, stream buddy. It's gonna default to. Okay, identity files. Let's use. Where is my identity files? That's a good question. Hold on, I forget. Here, I always forget that I can just do charmware as well, but whatever. That was when I implemented this. I did that. That's me. My contribution. There, and then I don't remember what the these ones. Okay. $25519, and then we'll do the same thing, but then that dot pub. I think that's what it just had. Oh no, it's just the private key. My bad. But then why would it? Do I specify here what public key I can use? I guess I don't need to. Users to allow access to the list. Users public keys. Oh, gotcha. Okay, bash. Oh wait, I think it's. Would it be stream money? I don't know. I don't know if I don't really know, to be honest. Must be in the same format and seen in the allows keys file. All right, hold on. I don't know what's in that allowed keys file. What's that file again? Interesting. I don't have that file. I think that's just like my here, output public key ID. I think it's just my ID, tbh. SSH key. No. God, I hate so many websites. Like ads on websites, I swear they take up like half of your screen. It's insane. Okay, Jack, this didn't give me anything useful. Please do different things. Do better. SSH agent. Okay, I think that's what I need. Agent list. Help. SSH agent. SSH keygen. No. No, that's not what I want. I literally can't even remember. What's it looking for then? Chat, what format is this? For a key. Would you like to give a talk to London Java community? I haven't written Java in so long. I could learn 4 years of stuff with 1 year of your stream. Oh, thank you. Thank you. It's nice. I've learned a ton starting to stream. Looks like, okay, Icarus, that's not what I'm asking. Quiet, Icarus. Quiet. Hold on. Icarus. What do you mean? Wait, LS. Charm. Oh, it's charm. Okay. Charm underscore ed 25519.pub. Whoops. I meant to do cat. Okay, good, you guys. Oh, no, okay. I'm just dumb. Don't. Just ignore me. Just ignore me. I'm just a little silly, you guys. I got confused. I said nothing. Hi, Leo. What's up? It's like the standard config line for authorized keys. Then what do you might ask? Okay, listen. I don't know what authorized. I've literally never seen authorized keys. Okay, leave me alone. Okay, on va t'ignorer. Salut, Miro. Use hash ID. Oh, what do you mean format? Listen, I literally just I did a cat of the public key, and it's exactly what I needed. And I realized that I'm just like this apparently, which is unfortunate, but we'll deal. I literally, oh wait, is there a typo in our docs? Hold on. You guys still can't see my screen, I know. No, the authorized keys doesn't exist for me. I don't know why that doesn't exist. LSI. Maybe I'm lost. Hold on. Let me see. Known hosts. No, that's it. That's all I got. Usually it doesn't until you make one. Okay, well, I've never made one, so that makes sense why I was so confused. Okay. I think this might work. Question mark. Oh, wait, this one's Bash Bunny. Alright, I don't know. We're gonna try. Port in which wish list should listen for. Yeah. Would you mind sharing? I will be. I just need to make sure I'm not gonna like break anything. I'll show it in one sec. Wish list. Wait, what else do I need in here? Config. I think that's all I need. Wishlist.config. Wait, where is it looking? See path to config file to use. Okay. Config.yaml. Ooh. Cannot unmarshal. Okay, wait. Not using YAML unmarshal errors. Okay, listen. I'm just not good at YAML. Did you ever consider that? Did you ever consider that? Okay. Link. Where are the links? Sorry, guys. One sec. I will. URL to be printed to the list. Yeah, I don't need that. Here you guys can see. I'll gotta, yeah. soft serve. All right. What else am I missing here? Oh, wait. This needs to be a bullet point. Okay. And this, I mean, it's the same. Let me just check the rest of these values. I think that's it. I think that's all I want. I don't know if that will fix all my errors. We'll see. All right, hold on. I gotta not share my screen for a second because I don't know what this is gonna output. Cool. Wait, okay, that actually worked. Hold on. That actually worked. Nice, nice. You guys, okay, I'm hating the sizing of my window right now. It's actually driving me insane. Why is it so big? So large. It's like just that slightest bit too big. Oh, wait, I can do it like that. Oh, she's a genius. All right. Okay, genius is a stretch, but it's fine. Wait, am I even adjusting? I'm not even adjusting the right thing. Okay, get out of here. Stupid browser. The code. I need the code one to change. Wait, is that the one I changed? Okay, wait, I don't even know what's going on anymore. It's fine. Okay, so if I do wish list, I'm gonna do the config. And I'm gonna tell it where the config.yaml is. And then here I'm gonna try, I don't know, I can hit enter to connect, but basically wish list is like a directory for SSH endpoints, and you configure it with the config.yaml. And what I'm trying to see, so somebody was saying that they're connecting to their own soft serve server, but when they're connecting through wishlist, it's giving them different permissions than when they connect to it directly, like through whether if they're doing like SSH and then into their soft serve, it's giving them different access than if they do it through wishlist. So I'm gonna try and test that. Bye, Nikita. Thank you so much for hanging out. Thank you, thank you. You are smart. Thank you. I appreciate that. Icarus, you're so kind to me, honestly. Public keys are made to be public. Yeah, I know. I know. We're good. We're good. I do know that. I knew a thing. Congrats. Okay, hold on. I literally don't know. I don't know what this is going to show. Oh, missing port in address. I don't know what it listens on. TBH. Wouldn't it be like if it's SSH by default, wouldn't it like just try port 22? Wouldn't it just try? All right, so we got to fix the configuration a little bit. All right, but I think this. I don't know what it listens on. I guess just port 22. You try that. That's what we're gonna do. All right, once again, nervous. Forward agent, but no agent is available. Oh god. Requested forward agent. Okay. I feel like we can improve our errors here. I'm just gonna make an issue on that. Would this be feature? I think so. Improve error messages. Would be cool to show potential solutions for users when an error occurs. Maybe e.g. If a port is misconfigured, give them the option to edit their config.yaml and reload wishlist on save when there is no forward agent installed. Give suggestions based on operating system. TBD. This would be a enhancement. Okay, when there's no forward agent installed, give suggestions based on operating system on how to install an agent. Thoughts? All right. Oh wait, this should be a discussion. Why am I putting it in an issue? Sorry, that's my bad. I did a bad thing. Oh, there are no discussions on wishlist. Oh, wait, are there? No. No, okay. I was like, am I being a bad example? Gonna go have margaritas? Look at you go. Look at you go. Why would it bomb on lack of agent? Yeah, I feel like, or like, it should say, like, it should give you the option of like continue without or like how to, or like tell me how to install an agent. I think that would be like awesome. SSH is usually on the SSH port. Yes. Listen, Icarus, go drink your margaritas. All right. Let your margarita friend be the bearer of this attitude. All right. That's enough. Just kidding. We'll miss you. Okay. Well, that's fun. So I need to figure out how to forward agent install Linux. SSH forwarding. Wait, what's the problem? Your system must allow SSH agent forwarding. Oh, goodness. Must allow SSH agent forwarding for inbound connections. Your server must allow SSH agent forwarding. Do I need agent forwarding? What happens if I don't? What happens if I don't forward? But I think it's easier if you do. SSH agent. Okay, so do I just have to do SSH add L? Alright, SSH add L. Let's see what that does. It depends on what you're doing. That's correct. But I think for this issue, I'm probably going to have agent enabled. Like, I'm going to have it enabled anyway based on what they're trying to do. So I think it's worth just doing it. Could not open a connection to your authentication agent. Sick. Do I have SSH? What is this? Bind addresses. Could not open a connection. What is this? Did you start SSH agent? No. No. Oh, I do -s. Their help is so not helpful. For the record, what is this? It doesn't even tell me what these flags do. Wait, can I do man SSH agent? I think it might be a me problem. Okay, it's still in the synopsis, doesn't say it. Okay, but now it's default shell. It doesn't look like it. Shell commands on SC out. Generate born shell commands on SC out. Allow providers. Kill the agent. How do I start the agent? Is there a word for that? The first start is the start of an X session. When SSH, wait, the second is logged, which in turn can be evaluated in the calling shell. Wait, prints the shell commands required to set its environment variables. Well then. Well. Okay. Well, it looks like it's a me problem. Eval. Do I have to add eval with backticks? Why? Like, what if I just do SSH agent S? You know? What do you want to do? Oh, I'm trying to start the SSH agent. Let's see what happens if I do that. Okay, it just outputs all of my variables that I need, which is interesting. SSH add. I just tried suck less DWM. Is i3 better? I've tried awesome and i3, and I liked i3 better. I found it like easier to configure and stuff like that. So I like i3, but awesome is also good. I haven't tried suck less. Add keys to agent, yes. Where would you set that? Diggly, where do you set that? Eval adds the environment variable. Oh, interesting. Yeah, dual booting Linux is a great idea. Honestly, once you start doing development on Linux instead of like Windows, you're like, holy. Eval sets up the environment. Oh goodness. Okay, well I didn't do that. All right, eval SSH agent S and SSH add. I don't know what it adds. Identity added. Okay, can I add another one? Oh wait, I gotta hold on. Firmware. I gotta copy that. And oh wait, is that sensitive? I don't even know. I think we're good. It's just the process ID and stuff. I think we're fine. What was I doing? Oh yeah. We're doing eval SSH agent. Only sensitive if we're in your PC. Yeah, that's true. Fair. None of you are allowed in here, okay? If any of you are in my PC right now, get out. All right, hold on. I gotta do some stuff with SSH agent. And come back later. Got it? Charm ed 25519. I think that's it. Okay, I'm leaving. Yeah, get out of my computer. Did that work? Is that gonna work? Identity added. Okay, I think we'll see what happens here. Wait. It's kind of annoying that it'd be nice if wishlist like checked current directory for, I mean, maybe it shouldn't. Maybe I'm just wrong. Maybe I should move. Okay, I'm gonna move my config somewhere that seems to be more reasonable. But then it's hard to find. It's fine. I'm just gonna do a wishlist c config.yaml. Okay, wait. Now I'm nervous again of what it's gonna show. Oh, it works. Hold on. I'll show it again. Look at. Okay, so what it is. So I do wish list, and then I set where I want the config, where the config file is. Big poggers. So normally you wouldn't have to do this if you have it in your like your home.config and then wishlist.yaml or whatever. It tells you like in the output where when it fails, where it looks. So you can just do that. And then it shows you based on your YAML file, it'll show all of the SSH endpoints that you have configured so it's basically like a directory for all of your SSH endpoints. So if you're like a systems administrator or something like that, this will probably be like super helpful if you're having to SSH into a bunch of different servers all the time or whatever. You can set it all up with wishlist and just easily like navigate back and forth. So you can do that and get in there. And then now it's opened up the charm endpoint that I wanted it to open, which is pretty good. Pretty cool. Okay, cool. So we did the basic configuration. I don't know what identity file it's using, which is not super helpful. I think it's using the one that I configured it to use. We'll find out, I guess. Okay, cool. So then now what I need to do, let me check. Hold on. I got to run soft serve real quick. And I don't know what projects I have on there. Clear. I think it's in hostess with mostest here. LSA. Okay, soft serve. Okay. And then if I do that, I do SSH localhost 23231. Oh, I don't remember. This is like using a different key file than I want. Hi, Pear. What's my favorite food? Oh, that's a good question. My favorite cuisine is probably, okay, this is like very, yeah, this is very okay for me to show on stream. My favorite cuisine is probably Japanese. Korean food's really good too. Probably Japanese food though. TBH. Let me see. I'm gonna move this camera a tiny bit. Uh-oh, a doggo. Ouais, c'est vrai, Miro. Isn't that the Git server one? This is, okay. Oh, the soft serve? Yeah, soft serve is a self-hostable Git server. Oh, pizza or a hamburger? Probably pizza. I love sushi. Yeah, sushi's great. I haven't really had much Scandinavian foods. Are you a full-time streamer? I have a normal job. I wouldn't want to be a full-time streamer, TBH. It's a lot. The internet can be a lot. All right. This is what's up, in case you guys are wondering. But I do, let me just change it back. I always get nervous when I'm doing like SSH. I don't know why. I think I'm always worried that it's going to like show my public IP or something like that. Do you use Go at work as well? Yeah, I do. You just call us a lot. It's not even just like streaming itself is it's very time consuming. But what's hard is that like you always have to be like kind of innovating in some way or another, like with your content. If you are a full-time streamer, your goal is to just grow constantly. Like it has to be constant growth. You can't take breaks, because if you take breaks, your sub count drops. Your like you don't make very much from ads if you're a streamer, but your sub count drops. It's your viewership drops. Like it's really hard to take time off. It's pretty much impossible unless you're doing a bunch of reruns, but even then, like no. And then it's also like you have to pretty much be like innovating with content on other platforms so that you have new people coming in and like finding out about your stream and like increasing the view count, because like discoverability is like not awesome on Twitch. If you have high enough numbers, like people will find your stream if you are like high enough up in the category. But yeah. My piercing. What? Huh? I don't think that's the right word you're looking for. You mean you can't just put on some anime for us? I mean, I can. But I know that a lot of you don't want to see my like anime. Also, no, I can't, because then I'd get copyright. It'd be a copyright strike. Also, hey Jack, you're still my favorite streamer. Oh, thank you, appreciate it. Jack Forge, are you planning on streaming or just being a Twitch viewer? I respect both, honestly. Streaming's like, it's fun. Don't get me wrong. It's very fun, but it's not for everyone. TBH. Okay, let's change our config. Also super easy to dox yourself on stream. If you're ever planning on starting to stream, like I'm happy to help with like getting your like if you need help with like getting the stream set up or like tips for like not leaking info on yourself. I've put a lot of effort into pretty much making my setup impossible for me to dox anything. Twitch viewer, very casual streamer, only a streamer to chat. Yeah, 100%, Jack. I relate. Have you started streaming then? Or like in the future you're planning on it? I already followed. You're my favorite Watson? Wait, I'm not your favorite Watson? Hello? Oh wait, I'm your favorite Watson, but okay, gotcha. Thank you. I honestly, I'm pretty happy with my Watson performance. Pretty good with Watson. We gotta do some more Apex streams soon. To be honest, streaming with a black screen is more efficient. It actually is. I kind of get more done. I don't know why though. Endpoint name. Okay, so endpoints. This is interesting. It's nice that I'm finally getting to do something with soft serve. I mean, soft serve wish list. I have done things with soft serve. Soft serve was like one of the first things. Soft serve and like skate were like the first projects that I started with. All right. Wait, the config.yaml. Hold on. I need to look at the examples again. All of your style, thank you. I think one of the first tips is don't stream screens, stream applications. Yes, yes and no. Regardless, oftentimes when you actually go to add a new source while you're live, or like anytime, whenever you add a new like window, it'll just like pop open a random window. So like you still could leak. The trick is to basically have an account that is dedicated for streaming, or like a VM. Streaming from a VM is probably the best solution that you could do, and then just like share the view from the VM. But having like a completely separate user account that you only use for streaming is the best way to do it. Then like there's no like, and also like you have to go in and like disable location services on like everything. And like all the creepy, you realize how creepy a lot of things are. Like a Jack, don't use PayPal for anything. PayPal's creepy. PayPal does bad things. For streamers. But yeah, it's good. It's not too bad. Just have it like a separate user profile and you only use it for streaming, and then you don't have to worry about like doxing. Okay, this seems like a lot. Is this really all of... Okay, endpoints, description. Yes, it is. User... Yeah, I think this is all within the endpoints thing. It is. It's all tab indented like that. All right, cool. Okay, let's do it. Bunny soft serve. And this is going to be localhost 23231. And then this is going to be bunnies soft serve instance. I'm curious about this. Like, I don't really know how it works. I don't really know how any of this stuff is working, to be honest. Yeah. I think that'll be fine. Oh, hey, Huntabite. How you doing? We tried to raid you the other day on Chris's stream, CM Griffing. I don't know if you've heard of, like, CM Griffing on Twitter. He's, like, pretty much always live. He is a crazy grinder with streaming. But yeah, we were hanging out and I saw that you were live, but like it was actually my app was like delayed because like the Twitch iOS app is so good. The app was delayed, so it showed you online from my end, and then but when you go to like click on the stream, it was like error. But then yeah, super chill, super chill. Someone off of Twitter wanted to send me something the other day, and I was like, no thanks, that's weird. Wait, wanted to send you something? Like what? I'll buy a separate laptop. Yeah. I wouldn't even. I use my desktop. I pretty much exclusively use for streaming. Like I don't use it. I don't use. It's like confusing. Well, like it's interesting though because like all my work stuff is also like streamable, but any like non-streamable things just like don't exist on this computer. This is my Neovim theme is Cat Poutine. It's the best. It's awesome. I'm actually going to do a video very, very soon on my favorite themes for 2022. It's like doesn't have to be for 2022, but like it'll be festive if I make it for 2022, but we'll see. Anyway, I'm excited because I feel like they're really goated. I made the list already. They're so good. They're so good. Anyway, I was getting kind of triggered by like, I remember when Prime was doing the like rate my, like rating the different themes. I was getting so triggered by like the placement of some of them. I was like, no. That should not be there. Anyway, it's fine. That's why Bunny is making her own list. Why Pop OS instead of Arch? Because I have a life. Just kidding. I'm kidding, by the way. I make jokes as well, although they're mostly bad. Pop OS mostly because I have NVIDIA graphics cards, so typically doesn't work so well with Linux in general. You get like you can get a lot of like, it can be really, really annoying working with NVIDIA graphics cards in Linux, but Pop OS actually has a build that's specifically for NVIDIA graphics cards. It's also backed by a company, so like that the issues that come up with it are actually going to get fixed. Arch, I just honestly right now am not interested in tinkering with my OS. I've used Manjaro in the past and had a great experience with it, but then my graphics card like died while I was using it, and that really scared me. Like I basically booted up one day and it basically was just like a garbled like loading screen for Manjaro that like never did anything other than like it never actually loaded up. And I lost like everything that I had on that machine, which was thankfully not much because I hadn't been using it for that long, but then I was like, oof, that could have been really bad. So I'm not super into that right now. Does Neovim have like a black 8-bit theme, like a dark high contrast or 8-bit on VS Code? 8-bit theme. What do you mean 8-bit? Oh, like dark high contrast? Okay, wait, dark. There's one that my coworker uses that's pretty good. 8-bit, let me check. Okay, I love when themes don't have a preview photo. Why would I install your theme without knowing what it looks like? Okay, that's my beef with the theme so far, but that's it. High contrast. Well, let me show you. I'll send you the one that my colleague uses. He's actually the designer for Charm, so good taste. Okay, good taste for the record. Dot files. It is. Let me find it. Kitty. Kitty, 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 kitty. Okay, or not. Doesn't have a kitty.conf in there. What, huh? Hold on. Hold the phone. Oh god, he changed to Nix. Now I don't know how anything works. I'm gonna go to a previous version of their dot files. Oh wait, it's just kitty.nix? Oh, gotcha. Okay, well, colors.normal bright. Modules, home, kitty.nix. Modules, home, kitty.nix. God, I have no idea how to use his config, how to use his dot files anymore. I need like super old ones. Actually, wait, I have it. I have it on my machine. Hold on. Kitty. Is it linux.conf? LS themes. What's in here? Charm.com. Okay. Yeah. My bad. I forgot I had that. Here, I'll link it. I'll link it. Oh, but here we can actually. I can show you what it looks like. Okay, wait. Theme charm. It's like neon blue, pink, and like black. But that's not really a NeoVim theme. Hold on. I just realized you were asking for me for a NeoVim theme. I went way off track with that one. My bad. My bad. Tried SSHing to localhost on the screen, but it didn't let me in. Wrecked. All right. Bunny's soft serve. Nice. Okay, cool. So now it's working. She's working. Only cares. Classic. Then if I go back. Cool. All right. So what their problem? Okay, I don't know how to check. I don't know how to check what my permissions are. I guess the permissions would be that like things are private. But I'm pretty sure it's all private. That's a good question. How to check? I don't even know how to check my permissions. I think it'd have to be with my soft serve configuration. Probably. All right, hold on. Yeah. All right. Soft serve config. What do I even? How do I? All right, hold on. I think it's in my projects. Yeah. Connection refused. Oh, it's not running. Classic. Actually, I should make this one the soft serve. Actually, I don't know. Can I move these? Oh, that was the wrong move. I didn't mean to do that. Okay. Chaos. This one I want to make soft serve. Because then I don't need to tab through it. Projects, config. All right. There we go. All right. LS, what's in here? Okay. A non-access. It's funny, like, read, right? Hold on. Wait, so home is private. So what does that mean? A non-access. Let's make it no access. Because then I just won't be able to see it if it's not. But then I don't even know what user I'm using this for. Try. I like how I gave them read write access. Like, hello. J'ai Spotify qui vient de se mettre en allemand. C'est bizarre. Just press CI, by the way, instead of typing out clear. No shot. I didn't know. Wait, was it CL or CI? I can't tell. Anyway, I'll try both. Thank you. LCL. Okay, gotcha. Right, get push. I need a USB hub for like my desk really bad. Alrighty. Okay. So now if I restart soft serve. Hold on, I don't know what soft serve outputs. Do I need to restart soft serve? Oh yeah, you guys said CL. Okay, cool. That's awesome. I don't want to be tomorrow. I don't want to write documentations. Oh no. Oh no. I got things I gotta do tomorrow too that I don't feel like doing. Oops. Soft serve. Alright. Let's see what happens here. Unable to authenticate. Wait. Oh, that's interesting. No supported method. Also, it doesn't wrap. That's interesting. I'm gonna create another issue. She's out here making issues. It's great. Feet wrap error messages. I think I have flame shot on. Nice. Unable to read full error message when wishlist fails to connect to endpoint. The error message should be wrapped to If they can't figure it out without documentation, they don't deserve to use it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Preview of error message. Woo. Did I have lunch? Yeah, I think so. How long have I been streaming? Wow, she's a machine. 3 hours? It's crazy. Okay. All right. So it looks like I'm connecting from, let me add. Okay, so it looks like I'm connecting with my Charm account, which is what I wanted. I'm connected as admin user. When I connect through wishlist with the same SSH key and the same user with agent forwarding, I'm connected as a user with limited access. Okay, so I've got limited access right now. Let me change my config. YAML. Do I want to change my config.yaml or should I change my soft serve settings? I'll just change it in soft serve, you guys. All right, we're gonna cool. Name sudo bunny admin true. I know that it's fine if you see my public keys, but you know, you never. Odds are I might accidentally put in my private key. Might accidentally output my private key. Whoopsies. All right, and then I want to do. What am I trying to do? That add 25519 charm add 25519.pub. Alrighty. And okay. I think, wait, name I think is Stream Money. All right. I don't care if you guys see the public. This is like a public key that doesn't matter anyway, but also it's fine. And then, yeah, we're gonna do that. Git add, git commit add Stream Bunny as admin. Git push. What the heck? Wait, did I only, oh my god, wait, hold on. Wait, what? Did I just reset the admin? That's from the local, I'm so confused. What just happened? Hold on. Because she was feeling shell shocked? That's good. That's good. Private keys are not a security issues you can show. Kappa, yeah. And my finger on the ban. Oh no. I got banned for using. Oh no. Pyro's been in here lots though. Pyro's a homie. Yeah, I know that Pyro knows what I like. Yeah. It's just true. It's just true. I should do an unbanned stream one of these days. I don't know why it's asking. Why is it doing that? Hold on. I think I need to also add my other keys. The ones I use for my with my YubiKey. Which I think is This one. Bash Bunny. I don't know if this is it. I don't really know what's going on. Wait, is it because of the... Hold on. Chat, I'm just a little confused. Just hold on. Get config list. Okay. It doesn't say what... It doesn't say what keys to use for this one. Why am I so confused? I can't even need to stop streaming kind of soon. My brain is like melting. We'll see. Why am I confused? What is it trying to do? I think I'm confused because I don't understand why it's trying what's happening. It's like it's trying to use a different SSH key now to authenticate. But like I haven't overridden anything. Git config. Is it double flag global? No. What's happening? I'm so confused. Oh my gosh, Cubisandra, sorry. Thank you so much for the raid. Sorry, my brain is like breaking for a second. I'm making changes to my Git server and I don't know what's happening. I think I accidentally changed the admin user and now I don't know what I'm doing. To be honest, that's what's going on right now. I think I gotta git push and then hold the phone. Very interesting. But hi guys, I hope you had a great stream. What were you working on? Weird. What the heck just changed? Some translation, animation with promotion. What am I working on? It's kind of hidden right now, but basically I'm helping with people's issues right now. So like I'm working on this wish list, which is like an SSH directory. Someone was basically asking, there's like a weird permissions issue that they're having when they're accessing their Git server through wishlist. It's like giving them different user permissions, and I'm trying to help with that, but I'm getting a little stuck myself. So that's pretty much what we're working on. We're basically just like going through for work, like going through a bunch of different like questions that people have asked in the last few weeks and just like answering whatever I can, just like cleaning them all up. But something just changed. Something just changed with my SSH. I don't know what's going on. I just changed. I don't think I changed anything with like my Git config, but then now it's like I don't know, it's doing weird things. So I think I quickly need to like change I'm just like not showing it because I don't want to leak anything. So I'm kind of like not showing this for a little bit until I figure it out, and then I can show like my coding and stuff again. Try killing your SSH agents and only running one of them. That's a good point. You spawned. Oh, that's true. That's true. SSH agent. Shit. I don't even know. I don't even remember which one I spawned that in. Hold on. Okay, I think. All right. This is so. Just kill and rerun the eval. Right. So is there a way to attach? Like, do I have to attach SSH? Yeah, so I already killed it. I ran SSS blah blah blah. I literally can't even make words. I ran this. I ran this. Okay, but question. I'm not sure if it would kill both. No such process. I think I did them in different what's it called? Different tabs. Just kind of confusing. Oopsies. Hold on. I'm also not sure, like, this is now... Could not read. Yeah, okay, wait. Hold on. I need to also start it. Soft serve. Yeah, like, I don't know why it's now prompting me for... Why is, like, my users changed? Which is weird. Did I accidentally, like, delete a file? I thought I had like defaults and stuff for my SSH config. I definitely did, but I don't know where it, like, I just went to open my SSH config file and it's empty. Hold on. What a mess, you guys. Okay, that's not it. Yeah, it's empty. Which is strange. Cause I pretty much I could yoink the one from my laptop. Which is weird. It's just weird. But I'm kind of getting tired, to be honest. If you run eval SSH agent, it should add the agent to your environment variable / modify what is there. You try SSH directly. Yeah. I think I gotta figure out. I gotta fix my thing. I think I just have to fix my for some reason my config files like doesn't exist anymore. So I'm pretty sure that got changed. Or my like globals for Git, like my Git global config changed. I don't really know. But I'm getting kind of tired, so I think I'm gonna like step away. Are we coding? We're doing some work stuff together. So like I was answering some questions from the community and stuff like that. Like helping answer people's questions. Is the worst when you're coding and then suddenly everything goes. I know, right, Christopher? I'm like, the thing is too, I keep losing track. I keep like forgetting what I'm doing, like losing track of what I'm doing because I'm context switching so much. And then I'm like, I can't remember what I was like just in the middle of doing. And then I like try and do it again. And then I'm like, I just like break it more and more and more, just like spirals. But I think we're gonna raid somebody. Yeah, cause your girl, I need to like go, I don't know, have a hot chocolate or something. I just pushed all my finishing tests to Dev, and it's time to walk to 7-Eleven to get some food and get out of the house. Yeah, that's a great call. It's so nice to just like move. Yeah, just get moving, move around somewhere, go anywhere. Oopsies, I meant to mute. Okay, I did. Going down the rabbit hole of like what just happened. 100%. All right. Let's see who's on. Oh, YouTube algorithm deep dive? Yo, what the heck? We are gonna raid. Let's raid a small streamer. Wow, this one's okay. They're actually doing Advent of Code day 17. I feel like most of the people that I know that have been doing Advent of Code have like given up. I wonder if trying to see if there's any smaller people that I follow that are streaming it right now. C to Rust rappers. That looks interesting. Sam Kit Kat. Are they a small streamer? Hold on. Coworkers stream with goblins? Okay, wait, what? Okay, wait. I think the vibe here is exceptional. I don't know what they're working on, but it's very festive. Okay, wait. This one's doing React, TypeScript. This one's doing Rust. This one's doing, what's Sam Kit Kat doing? Sam Kit Kat, what are they doing? They are also doing JavaScript stuff. Oh, they've got like a good amount of viewers. I want to raid someone smaller. We'll raid Cam the Goblin because it's very festive and that's what we got to do it. We got to do it. Did you check out GPT? No. No, not yet. Not yet. Yeah, YouTube, I'll say bye to you separately after all the Twitch people are gone, you know. Guys get a little more air time. Go follow my go subscribe to my YouTube channel, by the way. I'm trying to grow on YouTube. All right. Check out the other socials if you're interested. Okay, I'm not here to tell you how to live your life. Okay. Yeah. I found you from YouTube? No way. I love that. That's awesome. I'm trying to create more YouTube content. I'm a YouTuber in the works, all right? I swear. All right, you guys. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Happy holidays. That's probably going to be my last stream before the holidays because it's almost Christmas. Okay? But yeah. Appreciate you guys. Thanks always for hanging out. And I hope you like learned something or got some of your own stuff done or like had some overall good vibes from today. All right. I hope you guys have a great holiday. Happy New Year. I've got some fun stuff planned for the new year. So I'll announce that a little closer to it on my YouTube channel and the Discord. Okay. Bye, guys. Bye. Go give Cam some love. All right. YouTube. Love you guys. Thank you for supporting my YouTube journey. I'm very much enjoying that platform, so thank you so much. I hope you all have an excellent rest of your day. Happy holidays, Happy New Year, all that good stuff, okay? Appreciate you guys. I'll see you in video format probably during the break. I'll do my best, all right? But anyways, I hope you all stay healthy and all that good stuff and that you enjoy your holidays and maybe learn something new if you feel like it, if that's one of your goals. And we can talk more about our goals in the new year if you want. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Okay, bye.